y'all, it's Hannah, and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Hannah. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out me and my YouTube channel for today's video. I'm really excited because I'm going to be doing a red, orange, and teal fall look. So I know that might sound a little crazy. I kind of got inspired a little bit with my shirt that I'm wearing today to do these colors on my eyes. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into this eyeshadow tutorial. So I've already primed my eyes and I've already filled in my eyebrows. Everything that I will be using will be listed down below in the description box. But if you are curious, I will also be talking about the products as well throughout the video. But if you want more detailed products and things that I might not mention, you're going to want to go down to the description box because I fill out my description box for every single one of my tutorials. So starting out, I'm going to be using my Ace Beauty Vintage Dawn eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Horizon in this palette. It's just that really pretty orange shade right there. I'm going to be using this brush to apply it, and I'm going to be applying it to the inner part of my crease. Alright, now I'm going into my Romantic Beauty Goddess of the Eyes eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Fiji, which is just that really pretty teal shade right there, and I'm going to be applying that to my lid. I did my eyeshadow like this the other day, and I really liked the way that it looked. I think it blended a lot better when I did my eyeshadow in this method, and I also think that it kind of fits my eye shape a lot better as well. So I'm just going to be applying that shadow with this flat shader brush that I got from Amazon. All of my brushes except for this blending brush right here. This one comes from eBay, and then this eyeshadow brush and this one that came from Amazon. Going into my Profusion Spectrum palette, there is a red shade in here that I'm going to use. It's in the shade Amber, and it's just a really pretty dark red, which is going to be perfect for this eye look today. And I bet you already know where we're going to be applying it. We're going to be applying it to this region, to the outer part of the crease that does not have shadow. And again, I'm just going back into that same crease brush just to kind of make things a bit more simpler. I know some of you probably watching at home, you might not have a lot of brushes, which is why I try to keep my brushes just very minimal, just to kind of keep my tutorials very minimalistic. So now that the eyeshadow is complete, we're going to be moving on to the rest of the steps. So now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes with my e.l.f. eyelash curler. I really need to get a new one. I meant to order a new one the other day when they were doing their free shipping sale. But anyway, this one's like really old. I've had this since I was in high school. But anyway, so I'm just going to be using that. And then to apply some mascara to my upper lashes, I'm going to be using the Bare Minerals Lash Domination Mascara. This is kind of an okay mascara. It's not really my favorite. I don't really like the wand on this mascara, and I'm going to open it up and show y'all what it looks like. It's kind of weird. It's a little bit twisted, and at first I kind of thought that I would like it, but it doesn't really do much for my lashes at all. It only separates. That's about it. It doesn't really add a lot of length. It doesn't volumize your lashes, so yeah, so that's why I like to use this with false lashes, since it doesn't really do anything for my lashes whatsoever. Alrighty, so now it is time for some false eyelashes, and I'm going to be using my e.l.f. ones. These are just Ebony Style Natural, and the reason that I'm going to be using these is just because I want to. I feel like they'll look really good with this eyeshadow look today. Now I'm going to be applying them with this metal eyelash applicator from Beauty at Big Bang, and I'm also going to be using my strip lash adhesive to apply the lashes. I actually don't think that Beauty Big Bang is up anymore. Their website is up, which is kind of a bummer because they had a lot of really good tools on there for like a really good affordable price. Their makeup really wasn't that great, but their tools were like awesome. Like, I really loved their tools. Alrighty, pretty. So I went off camera and I did my foundation, my concealer, and my powder. I have to say I'm liking that lip balm so far. It feels really good on the lips. So now we're going to be moving on and we're going to be doing the lower lash line area. So first I'm going to go in with a little bit of this Maybeline gold eyeliner. This is just their Lasting Drama eyeliner pencil. I really need to order a new one and I just dropped the cap on the floor. Now I'm going to be taking the shade Amber and I'm going to be smudging that along my lower lash line using this e.l.f. concealer brush. This is actually really tiny and it works perfectly as an under eye shadow brush. Last but certainly not least is mascara, and I'm going back into that same Bare Minerals mascara that I used on my upper lashes. Even though it doesn't really do anything for the lower lashes, it actually does a lot of things for my lower lashes because for whatever reason, my lower lashes, they all stick together. I don't know why that is. So this does a really good job at separating my lashes on my lower lashes and making them look a lot longer than what they actually are. So it doesn't do anything for the upper lashes, but this does amazing for the lower lashes. Now I'm going to be using my Milani Silky Matte Bronzer. This is in the shade 01 Sunlight, and this is just what it looks like. It is a really pretty bronzer, and it looks really nice on the skin. To apply it, I'm going to be using this big fluffy brush. So now I'm going to be going in with blush, and for blush today, I'm going to be using the Key Plus Gold. This is their Healthy Glow Rose Gold Blush. This is from the Satin collection, and this is just what it looks like. It's just a really pretty blush, but it has little chunks of rose gold glitter in it, which is why I like it. It's more on the mauve spectrum, but it looks really pretty and really shimmery on the skin. I normally don't like blushes with glitter in them. In fact, I detest any type of a face product other than highlighter that has huge chunks of glitter in it. And even with highlighters, a lot of the time I'm like, I don't like that. But this is actually really pretty and it glows in the sun. Like when the sun hits it, it is absolutely gorgeous. So that is why I don't mind this particular product, because of the way that the glitter is in it. So to apply it, I'm going to be using this angled blush brush. And last but certainly not least for the face is highlighter. And for highlighter today, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. Face highlighter. This is in the shade Moonlight Pearls. This is one of my absolutely favorite drugstore highlighters. This does not have glitter in it at all. It's just a really nice, shiny, illuminating highlight. And to apply it, I'm going to be using this Cheek highlight brush. Last but certainly not least, I'm going back into that little lip kit, and I'm using this lipstick. This is in the shade SEX on the Peach. Instead of it being on the beach, it's on the peach. And I have to say, I love the packaging of this lipstick. I like how it's white, and then in gold, it just says Too Faced on it. I think that's really pretty. And then at the top right here, there's little peach engraved, and it actually has the same color that the lipstick is. And it's just a really nice neutral lipstick. And it actually has little peaches imprinted onto the side of the lipstick, which I think is really pretty. And then the actual tube of the lipstick is gold. And then in dark brown writing, it just has Too Faced on it. But first, what I'm going to do is remove that lip balm because I do have a little bit of that on still, and I kind of want to remove that before I put on the lipstick. Alrighty, y'all, so I really like the way that this lipstick looks. I think it looks really pretty. It's a really pretty nude color. It is a bit more on the brown spectrum, which I don't mind. I really, really like a lot. I think it goes good with this makeup look. I really like the lip balm. It did a really good job of moisturizing my lips before I put on the lipstick. So this little kit right here from Too Faced, this is a really good kit. So if you find this at your local Ross, I definitely recommend snatching this up because this is really adorable. And it's a really good lipstick and little lip balm duo. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it. If you enjoyed this video and if you enjoyed the tutorial, then please give this video a big thumbs up down below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button while you're down there as well, because I'm here for you with new videos every Thursdays, Saturdays, and Mondays at 6 or 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time. You can also give me a follow over on social media so that way you can keep up with me. You can keep a lookout for when I post and upload new videos, and you can get exclusive little sneak peeks of new makeup looks because I'm always posting little eye looks and stuff over on my Instagram before I actually reveal the full look. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in Monday's video. Bye, my little unicorns.